This is me just messing around, guys. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm gonna be deep conditioning my natural hair. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Elvive Max, and this is the Dream Length Max. So I'm gonna be reviewing this as well, showing you how it feels in terms of how it works for Afro natural hair. So stay tuned. So this is the L'Oreal Elvive Dream Length Max, and it says it's for long damaged hair enriched with keratin, vitamin, castor oil, and it claims to reinforce hair. It helps it feeling nourished and shining. This is in 300 ml and it retails for £6, but I got it for £3 in Boots on offer. In terms of the ingredients in here, it says it's got aqua water, something alcohol, not very good. It's got some seed oil and castor seed oil, so that's a good one, castor seed oil. But there's some other things that are, not too natural hair friendly. It's got soy protein, wheat protein, so it's got a few good things. There's some things I can't pronounce in here, so I'm gonna kind of apply this to see how it feels on natural hair. So I'm just gonna open it. This is what it looks like, whitish. It smells very nice. It feels really like creamy. So this is what it looks like. So it looks really creamy and it feels really nice. I'm just gonna jump right into the application. So first I'll just spritz water into my hair. My hair is washed 2 days ago and I just put it into a twist. So I washed it with a shampoo. I conditioned it like just a regular conditioner, and then I just put it into a twist. So today I'm gonna deep condition. So I'm gonna spritz water all over the hair. Let me get my towel. Just water in here. And I spritz water over so it's easy to manage. So when I apply the product, it just glides in, and also water helps the product to really just go in easily, and I will just be doing a semi detangle as well. So I've sprinkled water all over my hair, and what I'm going to do now is kind of part my hair into sections. So I'm going to part it into 4 sections. So I'm going to start with this section. I'm going to take in a bit. Now I'll just start applying. So I'll apply from the roots down to the tips, but especially on the tips like so. So I'm literally going to apply it all over. It feels really soft, guys. It feels really soft. So this deep conditioner feels really soft. It looks like something that would help me detangle as well. So I'm gonna try and detangle the hair. My fingers are gliding through so nicely, so it's just, although I've detangled it when I washed it the other time, but I think this is a good one. So it can serve as a deep conditioner and a detangler as well. This is really nice. It's got a very nice slick to it, so I like it. And it smells really nice as well. So this is this section done, guys, and it's detangled, so yeah, my fingers are just gliding through so effortlessly, like so. So I really like it. I'm gonna apply it to the side now. I tend to just slap on the conditioner, like literally I use a lot because our hair, Afro hair, is quite thick, so you need to put in a lot, something like this, and especially in the ends of the hair, because the ends are the driest part of the hair, so it's good to just slap on a lot of conditioner at the ends. And you can spritz more water if you want. That's why I used water first, because if you don't put water in it before you put the conditioner, it's just gonna soak up the conditioner, and you're not gonna get it slick. So when you apply water first, when you spritz your hair with water, it gives it a nice, it helps it. So I'm gonna kind of try and detangle section by section. I really like this. My fingers are gliding through so effortlessly, like so nice. So if you see any snags or knots, you just try and loosen it. My curls are popping out. My fingers are just gliding through, so it's just easy to glide. Wow. Look at my curls. So this is the last in this section. I just like the sleek. You can add more water. So this is the section done. Feels really nice. Detangled it nicely. Smells nice. So what I'm gonna do is finish this section of my hair and come back with my final views. That's the other side done, so everything is now done. I like this conditioner. I like the feel of it. I like the sleek. It's really nice. This is me just messing around, guys. It has a nice wave to it. I really like it. So it's definitely deep conditioned everywhere. Okay, I love this. I love the way it detangled my hair. I love the way it feels and the way it smells. So it's got a very nice sleek. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put my hair in back into, put it in 2 twists. I'm gonna do is let me see what it says actually. I think it says here, I think it says here that you should leave it on for like 2 to 3 minutes. It says here, but I'm not doing that. This is afro hair. It needs to really stay on. So I put in my max and I leave it minimum 20 minutes. Sometimes I leave it 2 hours. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not going anywhere. We are at home, but I'm gonna kind of leave it on for 2 hours or more. But I'm gonna be using this. So this is put it in a shower cap. I usually use a cling film because it traps the air. It doesn't go anywhere. I'm gonna put it in a shower cap today, just to make sure the heat is, you know, the body heat is going on it. I'm gonna tie it with my satin scarf as well. This just ensures that the heat is trapped in there and it just marinates the hair. So I'm gonna leave it like so and just go about my day. I'm just gonna do some Zumba, I'm gonna do some cooking, some house chores, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts on this. I've washed the hair out, I've washed it, and I've just put my hair in like a t-shirt. I don't use a towel for my hair. I use a t-shirt because it's a cotton t-shirt is softer on the hair. This is my hair all washed. And it feels so soft, guys. So soft. And it's just popped, my curls are coming out. Like this product. My hair is bouncy. My hair feels really moisturized. It feels shiny. And it just feels really nice. Yeah. And it feels so soft as well. So I really like this product. I think I'm gonna be buying more from Boots, because they always do a sale on it, like £3 or something. So in terms of my final thoughts on this product, I love it. I love it. You know, it has really moisturized and given my hair a shine. My curls are popping like, you know, I've not put no cream. There's nothing on my hair, and my curls are just popping. I can just wash and go. I think I just need to add a bit of oil to it and I'm good to go, guys. I really love this. It brought out the bounce in my hair and it made it really coily. Considering the fact I've not put gel, I've not put anything on my hair, this is really bomb. I can actually use this and just wash and go. This is a wash and go, guys. Will definitely go restock this in Boots. I'll buy loads and just keep, because I can just use this on my hair without even doing nothing to my hair, and this can be my co-wash. So yeah, I love it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. What do you think? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you see more videos as they come. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.